Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the integrated wheel end, or IWE, actuator on your Ford F-150. This guide will help you save money by doing it yourself. You will need common hand tools, a floor jack, jack stands, and a vacuum pump for testing. Always prioritize safety by properly securing your vehicle before starting any work. First, ensure your truck is safely supported on jack stands with the wheel removed. Next, you will need to unbolt the brake caliper and its bracket, then remove the rotor. Carefully detach the tie rod end and the upper ball joint from the steering knuckle. This provides enough clearance to gently pull the CV axle out of the old actuator. Finally, remove the three 8mm bolts holding the actuator in place. With the old actuator removed, clean the mating surfaces thoroughly. Apply a small amount of fresh grease to the CV axle splines before carefully sliding the new actuator onto the axle. Secure it with the three 8mm bolts. Reconnect the CV axle to the integrated wheel end. Then, reattach the upper ball joint and tie rod to the steering knuckle, followed by the brake rotor and caliper assembly. Once everything is reassembled, reconnect the vacuum line to the new actuator. Start the engine and cycle the four-wheel drive system several times, listening for any unusual noises. In two-wheel drive, the axle should not spin with the wheel. Finally, reinstall your wheel, lower the truck, and torque the lug nuts to 150 foot-pounds. Your IWE actuator replacement is now complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.